What's the big difference in reciprocating saw blades? Reciprocating saw blades come in a variety of forms, but can primarily be broken down into 5 major types: wood cutting, demolition, combination, metal cutting, and carbide tipped. The way that we differentiate each blade into these types comes down to 3 identifying features. Those features include the teeth per inch, or TPI for short, of a blade, the material of the blade, and the shape of the blade. The TPI of the blade will play a major role in what the blade is best used for. The TPI range for reciprocating blades ranges anywhere from 3 to 24. All you need to know about the range is that the lower the TPI count, the better the blade will be for cutting wood, whereas the higher the TPI count, the better the blade will be for cutting metal. The type of material blade is made up of also contributes to its uniqueness. Blades made of carbon steel, for example, are great at cutting wood or plastic due to their flexibility and ability to bend without breaking. Blades such as the Spyder 18-inch reciprocating carbide-tipped brick masonry saw blades, which are made of high-speed steel, are far more durable, lasting up to 5 times longer than carbon steel. There are also blades made of bimetal, such as the Linux reciprocating blade, which can last up to 10 times longer than carbon steel. Blades made of this material are built for longevity, flexibility, and head resistance, making them ideal for smaller cuts of copper. We hope you found this video helpful. To order or for more information, visit jacksonsystems.com. And as always, thanks for watching.